We can look at this bronze sculpture, which shows two children sitting on a tree branch and reading, from more than a few disciplinary angles. For example, looking at it from the discipline of art, what comes to mind?
The creative practice of the artist using metallurgy as a tool.
Metallurgy, is that the urge to listen to heavy metal music on full blast because my parents just don't understand me?
Not at all. Metallurgy is simply the science and practice of metalworking.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Another artistic angle might be how sculpting extends two-dimensional sketching and painting to three-dimensional form and shape.
Nice.
Okay, what about anthropology?
Anthropologically, we could think about the history of human-made activity in metallurgy, most notably from the Bronze Age.
Sweet.
I bet you can't look at this sculpture through a chemistry lens.
Well, chemistry would take us into the history and process of creating alloys from elements from the periodic table, like copper, tin, or zinc. Bronze is an alloy, after all. Here's one that'll stump you: mathematics.
Let's see. Here's one idea. In geometry, the mesh that defines the exterior surface of the sculpture is a way of looking at this artwork through our math lens. Any thoughts on computer science?
How's this? When I think about the objects within this artwork in front of us and how they are interconnected in a logical information-based structure, I am using my computer science lens.
When you think about it, there really are a ton of connections, aren't there? It's fun to look at things in different ways and see the connections between art and anthropology and math and computer science. Going further with computer science, I'm looking at this sculpture and could represent the logical information-based structure in a few different ways. Like, I could explore the logical relationships between parts of this sculpture using a concept map. It looked like this.
That's pretty cool. Or you could also write a simple imperative program to make the sculpture, which could look something like this. Okay, whose model do you think is better?
Or we could not do that and accept that every disciplinary angle has its merits. You can virtually visit the Love Jack sculpture on the University of Texas at Dallas campus and a few other places if you want to continue to put on your computational thinking hat and see places and artworks through this lens with absolutely no jargon required. Just click the link in the video description and go take a virtual STEM walk now, or whenever you like.